Okay, kindred spirits. I am getting ready to... Oh, there's the drone. I'm camped next to these really cool people that are gonna film me kayaking. Hey, let's go. All right, first we have to go rent the kayak. All right, here we go. Bye-bye. Here we go. Here we go. I hope you can see Imogene with this. Oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. I cannot believe that I am getting somebody's taking drone footage of me. These are my next door neighbor campmates. And the reason why I ended up in this particular space, this is St. Ignacio. I came here yesterday afternoon. There was no spots on the river. And so I picked a spot, and it was a nice spot. And then I went and I had a margarita and some fish and chips. It's like best in Baja. So it was coming back. I just had this feeling that I knew these people, that I was subscribed to their YouTube channel. And the closer I got, I was like, oh my goodness. It was Jen and Charlie from Lost Renegades. And they were very, very kind and gracious. So, it was very nice talking to them. They asked where my van was, and I said, oh, just right around in there. And they said, well, we're leaving tomorrow morning, so if you want this spot, go ahead. And, you can have it right on the water. And I said, oh, yeah. So I went up to the registration, asked them what they would think if I could do that, and it was yeah, sure. So that's what I did. As soon as I heard them starting up this morning and getting ready to go, and I'm not sure I could go much farther than this. I'm gonna turn it around here. This is not much, a little tiny place to paddle, but I'll take anything. So I got my stuff all settled in my new campsite. Hi, look, I'm gonna take a picture of the drone, taking a picture of me. I'm sure that has been done over and over. And I'm holding my phone with my feet here, so I have all the sophisticated equipment. This is not very deep, I'm gonna say. Oh, actually, 3 or 4 feet deep, so I'm not going to get to go anywhere. It's pretty limited, but that's okay. I was jonesing and regretting not bringing my kayak, and so just to have the opportunity to paddle around a little bit is nice. Oh, and when I was getting our life preservers out, I found the floaty. Now I know I got that. I might blow it up today and float out here. And the air is warm. The wind is warm. So I'd say that's my worst thing about going in the water, is getting out and being cold. Such a wuss. Not a wuss. Not a wuss. What am I saying? Look at me with my bias. We got to change a lot of words in order to learn how to get along with each is looking at that drone. I think she thinks it's a fly. And that's one of her jobs in the van, is to get the flies, especially the ones in the window. She chews them up and she spits them out and then she pulls them. I wonder what their names are. Better find that out. I'm going to see if they want to take this. Okay, we're done. Here you go. All right. He's like, oh, get me out of this place. What is your partner's name?
Yeah.
What's her name?
Oh, Pollyanna.
Pollyanna. Oh my gosh, that's my role model, Pollyanna.
Oh, really?
Oh my gosh, yes.
Right now, she is your role model.
And you know what? I don't think I've got your name.
Oh, my name is Steve or Steven.
Okay.
Which call me Esteban.
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 Yeah, it's
Okay.
Spanish for
Steven.
what my mom calls me when I'm in trouble. Esteban. Oh my gosh. Oh no.
Yeah.
But it's my first season in Baja, and I gotta say it's hard to go back home to the U.S. after all this beautiful environment. Just playing with the drone and enjoying a nice casual Sabado.
Yeah.
Saturday.
Yes, yes. Oh, it is Saturday too, isn't it? All right.
Darla's coming in for a landing.
Hi, Darla. Darla's coming in for a landing. Darla is the drone.
Let's see if I can. Maybe I might build a hand catcher.
There's always something to create, right?
Oh yeah, this is the most fun ever.
Yeah, that's great. Hey, buddy. Come on in here.
Want to try?
Yeah, I'd love to try.
Just grab at the base. Just hit the base. Yeah, hold, and hey, very good. Nice job. Plucked it right out of the air.
Yeah, you know, I love it. You jump in. Ah! You are. I think I'm gonna blow up my floating. Goes. Just like back in. Come on, tip it, just for fun.
It's very cold.
I was hoping. I was hoping.
My gut just sucked into my belly. But it feels much better now.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Well, one of the really cool things you can do with the drone that is nice, you can just let the drone sit in a location to do a time lapse where the surrounding just kind of plays out over time. And if you're in a pool or if you do a lot of kayaking, you can put it over you and let it sit for like 20 minutes, right? And then you can do figure eights, you can do circles, and after 5-10 minutes of playing, it becomes kind of a cinematic piece. I've had people carve people's names in the water.
Wow.
So if you get really creative, you can let all the clouds blow across and film all of that, and try to get the the rule of thirds photos but within your videos.
Wow.
And the drone has got like full GPS, so it'll hover and you don't have to touch it. Even if I can't count like how many hundreds, because I do this for work, how many hundreds of times I've forgotten the drone was still in the sky. Finished my project chasing some race truck, and I was like, where's the drone? And then here it is landing itself on my tarp.
Oh my gosh, there it is right there. Speaking of
Darla.
Speaking of Darla.
This is Darla, the 64th. I have had that many go through my hands, and it's because I own a drone manufacturing company. I have to do R&D testing. Sometimes they don't come back, but most of the time it's just you lose a wing or an arm, and then I repair it and donate it to brother, sister, or local Mexican kids along the road.
Wow.
Anybody we can.
So you have a stockpile in your van just in case?
I do. I've got about 5 others.
Oh my gosh.
Features and big ones, small ones. That was fun. Thanks for letting us borrow the kayak.
Oh my gosh. This is great. This is great. I just feel like I just have to film this. Okay, so here's the plugs and a switch. It actually doesn't look like it's hooked up, but very creative, huh? And then this is where I rented the kayak. And then over here we have the lending library. Yeah.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, feels so nice. We time, you I know how to make me feel right. I can't help how. Have this sweet talk, I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say let's do, babe. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. Why you blushing? Yeah, sweet concussion. Oh, you miss my touching. Good to you. Show me something, give me more than one thing. I need more than less than I do. Say you a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, it feels so nice. I can't
Drying up. Look at that. Talk about a British haircut.
Women's roles in trying new things.
Oh, yeah, you mentioned, you know, I remember from yesterday, they stuck with me really well.
Yay!
You guys make it easy.
Yeah, I don't know. I love it, learn different things, learn all the time.
Mm-hmm.
I love adventures. I don't know, I'm a little crazy. Yeah, because a new things, why no? Just let's go.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah.